Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 97 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and today we're going to go from the Carnival legend. We are in the Enchanted Forest. Which is kind of creepy, really. So, but on today's topic, we're talking about torch lighters, Bluetooth speakers, wallet chains, no shrimp at Blue Iguana, and Guy Fieri's becoming Five Guys. All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if torch lighters were okay to bring on board for cigars. John said, yes, indeed they are, and he thanked them for asking. So that's a nice quick one. One thing I will add though is cigar smoking is not allowed inside on the ship. You have to do it on the outside decks as far as I know. But as for torch lighters, yes, you can bring them on and much easier to light a cigar with those puppies. Question two. This cruiser always brought a Bluetooth speaker with them to listen to music at night when they slept. They've read that Bluetooth speakers have been banned by Carnival and they wanted to go straight to the Yak to get the answer. John said yes, they are banned and they are not allowed. If you're caught with one on the boat, they will confiscate it and then they will give it to you back at the end of the cruise. But this topic has caused a lot of controversy. It doesn't really prevent people from blasting music on their phones or anything like that, but it's nowhere near as loud as a Bluetooth speaker. Also, yes, they do sell the Bluetooth speakers on board, but much like the liquor, you can't take them with you. They will bring them to your room at the end of the cruise. So if you like a Bluetooth speaker, don't bring it because you're not going to be able to use it. Speaking of like, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser is about to head on their trip and wanted to know about their hubby's wallet. It attaches to his pants, which some would call a biker chain, and they wanted to know if that's going to be a problem. They've had gone to places on land where venues will refuse it because it is a chain. John said not to worry, this is absolutely fine. They'll obviously need to put it through the x-ray machine, but apart from that, it's not going to be a problem. So if you have that chain that connects your wallet to your belt, just fine. All right, question four. This cruiser saw a comment on a video that said Blue Iguana Cantina was no longer offering shrimp for their burritos. And they said, please say it ain't so, John. John said, it ain't so. They definitely do have shrimp there. They might have ran out that day or later in the day for that particular burrito. Then everybody's like, oh my God, Carnival's not doing shrimp anymore on the Blue Iguana. Nope. That's why we go straight to the Yak to get the proper answers. There are shrimp at the Blue Iguana. All right, last question. This cruiser wanted to check because they read somewhere, again, likely a Facebook group, that Guy Fieri's contract is coming to an end and they're going to change all the burger joints on the ships to Five Guys Burgers and Fries. John asked them, please send them the link where they saw this directly because it's absolutely unfounded and not true. Guys Burgers is staying on the ships. So, nope, you ain't got to worry about a Five Guys Burgers and Fries. It will be Guy Fieri's burgers. So, love those. Enjoy. That was episode 97 of Yakety-Yak. Take care.